Let's learn advanced household vocabulary you can use in daily life. A thermostat controls temperature. Adjust the thermostat. A doormat keeps the house clean. Wipe your feet here. A drawer organizer keeps things sorted. Use a drawer organizer. A wall hook holds items. Hang your keys here. A diffuser spreads fragrance in the air. Turn on the diffuser. Bed linen covers the bed. Arrange the bed linen properly. A soap dispenser gives liquid soap. Use the soap dispenser. An electric kettle heats water fast. Boil water in the kettle. A bread bin stores bread. Keep the bread inside. A remote control is used to operate devices. A blanket keeps you warm. Use a blanket at night. A hanger holds clothes. Hang it on a hanger. A wardrobe stores clothes. My clothes are in the wardrobe. A bedside table is kept near the bed. Put it on the bedside table. A rug covers the floor. This rug feels soft. A lampshade covers the light. The lampshade softens the light. An extension cord gives extra power points. Plug it into the extension cord. A cushion adds comfort. Sit back on the cushion. A container stores food. Keep it in a container. A mop cleans floors. Mop the floor. A pillowcase covers a pillow. Change the pillowcase. A dustpan collects dirt. Use the dustpan. An ironing board supports ironing. Use the ironing board. A faucet controls water flow. Turn off the faucet. A scrub brush cleans tough dirt. Scrub it properly. A spray bottle spreads liquid. Spray the cleaner. A shower curtain keeps water inside. Close the curtain. A laundry basket holds clothes. Put clothes in the basket. A toiletry holder keeps items organized. Put it in the holder. An iron removes wrinkles. Iron your clothes. A clothespin holds clothes. Clip it with a clothespin. A storage shelf keeps things organized. Place it on the shelf. A dehumidifier removes moisture from the air. This dehumidifier keeps the room dry. A vacuum cleaner removes dust. Clean the carpet with a vacuum cleaner. A power strip gives extra sockets. Plug it into the power strip. An air purifier cleans the air. This air purifier makes the room fresh. A door stopper keeps the door open. Use a door stopper here. A coat rack holds clothes. Hang your coat on the rack. A sleep mask blocks light. Wear a sleep mask. A nightstand is beside the bed. Keep it on the nightstand. Blinds block light. Close the blinds. A candle holder holds candles. Place it in the holder. A dimmer switch controls light. Lower the light. A recliner is a relaxing chair. Sit back on the recliner.
Fabric softener makes clothes soft. A drying rack dries clothes. Hang clothes on the rack.
A squeegee removes water. Clean it with a squeegee.
A broom is used for sweeping. Sweep the floor.